All right. Today I just want to go over one thing: how to use 3 commas. I think it's amazing. Let me actually invite friends. I should have given you a referral link. I'm such a fool. I would have gotten a 10% bonus. Anyway, copy link. I'm going to put a description in this video. And we'll get into the tutorial in about a minute or two. Just hold tight for a second. Edit title and description. See me yet, right? Is it letting me on? Okay, it did. Okay. All right, guys. Welcome to the 3 commas tutorial. We will answer all your questions about 3 commas. And yeah. So let me just check out my streaming spot. Okay. Say hi if you're in here. Let me know who's in here just so I can get an idea of what's going on. All right. Thank you. I'll keep the chat to the side, but I'm seeing it. All right. If you were with me earlier, you saw these positions have now blown up. 174, up 50 in VeChain. So we're up about 350 since 7 in the morning. Just going hard, you know. It's cool. I can show you guys this because I can block. Look, you guys can't see all my personal information up here, which is nice. They kind of did this for a reason. All right. 3 commas, man. There's a lot going on. Okay. You got your dashboard. All right. Your dashboard's awesome. And they actually changed it since I started. It shows you your portfolio right here. And you can double click on it. Kind of hit this eye, right? And it's going to really zoom into your portfolio for you. It's going to show you your net worth in every coin that you own, right? Polkadot, Fetch, you know, Av, Lend, all this stuff. And honestly, I look at this list. IOST, VeChain, Polkadot, Fetch, Lend, Band, Chills, LTO. Besides nulls, which is just like I'm holding. Once I get out, I'll get out. But in ICX, but this is a winning crew right here. You got to write those down right off the bat. But anyway, and it shows you like last 30 days in profit. You're up $6,378 in a month. And, you know, boom, up 28% in Bitcoin, up 31% in monetary value. So we made half a Bitcoin in the last month. Okay, overall profit, we're up 6,000. Okay, and it just shows you profit percentage of the day. We're up 7% on the day. Profit, Bitcoin percent on the day. Cool stuff. Yeah, what's going on?
I don't know what happened. I lost all fuel, and I'm laying down, and I feel really bad. Can you just make me a bagel with a lot of cream cheese?
Okay.
I'm sorry.
All right, no worries. I'm doing a tutorial right now. I got 10 minutes. All right? All right, guys. So here's your dashboard. And you can click to your exchanges. And that's where you'll see your exchanges. A little personal for me to like show exchanges, I feel like. Because like, I don't want to ask to get hacked. But, you know, let me look at the window outside of this and see what it, like, make sure there's not any. Yeah, but so these exchanges, it will show you. Like, I have Binance hooked up, but you can hook up many exchanges. You can only hook up these exchanges, though. Bybit, Bybit, Testnet, Poloniex, KuCoin. I actually want to link my KuCoin. I forgot about that one. But I tried to do another one recently. Like, I tried to link X Markets, and I couldn't. Maybe there's another way. Maybe we can API around it, but we'll figure it out. Then there's a trader diary. The trader diary is my favorite thing about it because it keeps a track of every trade you've made, when you got in, when you got out, the price you paid, the price you sold, the amount you started with, the amount you ended with, and then you can even write notes. You know, like if you look back, if I go like to the 4th page and I make this 100, you'll see like I didn't always write a note, but every once in a while when I did something real dumb, look, I left too early, got nervous in the 770s. See this? Bitcoin Ren, right? So I wrote that in there. Here's another one. Should have been a 600. I forgot to take profit. So like it went up and then I didn't have a take profit set or something stupid, right? And I was like, damn, I got to stop doing that. Goodbye. Stop loss was too close. See? And this should be still open. This should be open. Take profit hit too soon. You know, like, okay, this should be open up over 20%, right? Quick scalp, no play. Bought a huge wick. It got worse. See? Went by the strong buy on 3 commas. Didn't work. I took their actual signals. Forced to trade. No due diligence. See this? Before bed. Forced to trade. Didn't chart it. Look at this. Dreaming. I wrote right here. Right? Change old trade. Giving back gains. Right? So when I was doing things that I didn't like, I wrote them in the comment section. And that's awesome. All right? That'll teach you a lot. And it remind you, like, all right, you know. Okay. Now, that's the meat and potatoes of, like, looking into what you're doing and where you're at. But that's not really how you use the program. So let's get into Smart Trade. Everyone with me right now? XRP user, you're still with me here? Want to make sure. Yeah. Now, look, you'll see here, if you get a certain pro, I think with the pro, which is 24, you get signals. So they give you signals like strong buy, USDT, OT. I don't use these signals a lot. A lot of times they just tell you to buy something when it's up a lot. Like, you know, I guess they have indications that it's in a trend and the trend will continue. Again, you can see in that notes, I rarely use these signals, but it helps when I'm in something and I see the signals because I'm thinking, wait, a Nubian coin on 3 commas might just take these signals. So these actually are pumping the market in a way. If you think about it, it's self-fulfilling prophecy. If they keep putting these signals out, you know. And what I like about these is when Bitcoin starting to act shady, I see USDT to like packs. I see stablecoin for stablecoin a lot. And that's an indication that Bitcoin's about to roll over. And it's been working for me like 5 out of 5 times now when I've seen the pair here, it's happened. So, but they give you signals, which is cool. These are all the coins I've been trading. If you want to add a coin, I like to trade USDT. So you hit USDT. Then over here, you type in the coin. Like, let's say you want to trade Atom. Boom. I hit the star, and it goes right to the bottom. And that's how I know how to get it. It's probably not, you know, I don't know. It's probably alphabetical order or something. I don't know. But I just hit the star, and it'll pop up down here. I click on it first, and that'll turn it into this. See, Atom? The actual chart will come up and everything. And it's a TradingView link chart, which is really cool. So look, but you have to hit the asset like engine. And now, boom, it switched. I'm in engine now. And I can buy and sell engine coin, right? But you got to hit the asset. So let's say we were going to buy Atom USDT. So first thing we go up to here is we change this to USDT. We change it to Atom. If you're going to buy Bitcoin, you go to Bitcoin. And you'd buy it for Bitcoin. And anything else. USDT pairs. Look at all the pairs. AUD, B, things I don't even know about. I bought some IRDT. And I exchanged it for Atom. Funny, right? Okay, cool. So USDT, then you pick it, you hit the star, it pops up down here, and then you click on it. Okay. Welcome to 3 commas. Congratulations, by the way, for coming in to 3 commas. Smart man. The fact that Atom just came all the way back down from 727, I think you're in a good place too. You probably know that. Anyway, here we go. Now, whatever capital you have allocated, you hit 100%. I only have $8, but if you had 10 grand, it would hit 10 grand. What I love about this is say you only want to use 2,500 of your 10 grand, you just hit 25%, 50%. Say you want to use 1,000, 10%. This thing is so automated. Sometimes you really need to get into a trade fast. Like you see something, it's starting to move. Boom. I always hit the ask here. This is the bid and the ask. You got to learn more about order books. And this is what someone wants. This was what someone wants to buy it for. This is what someone wants to sell it for. And eventually the price has to come into the middle. I always give them the ask because I think I usually buy at a really good place where I think we're about to go up. So I don't play games trying to get it a little cheaper. I used to do that in the past, and maybe in a choppy market, it's better because you don't know what's going on and you want to get a good price. But in a bull market, you've spent time on the charts, you have a great entry, you think it's going to go up because of all the things that you've looked at. You just hit 775 like this. That's the price you're going to buy it at. Let's say you're going to buy it today. We're going to buy $8 worth. So I could buy one atom right now. So I'll buy one atom with you guys. I'll spend the $8. We'll buy the atom. Okay. So it says I can buy one atom. All right. And then what I do is I go to my chart. Right. I go to my chart and I get all these numbers from the chart. So there's reasons why I'm doing everything I'm doing. Right? So I'm just taking you through the actual moves here. So we're in Atom. We're about to buy Atom. Wow, look. In the pink. MACD about to cross. On the 4 hour. Very healthy. Let me just give you a target for Atom right now. Because I think you're in it. Kind of was a falling wedge. But this is a bull flag, really. You even kind of do something like this. And a bit of a bull flag. Right? Booming. It's one of my favorite patterns. Tends to love to rip. So our target's, wow. You see this? $10.85 for Atom. And I'm telling you, like, my targets have been getting hit. Like, I've been taking profit before my targets, and they've been getting hit. The humble idea is to take 70% of the move. So get out like 960, 970 in this range here. But knowing Atom, man, it'll probably go all the way. Turn into a $100 coin one day. You're like, damn, I knew about Atom. Should have put 10 grand in it when it was $1. But that's what happens. But anyway, so then I go, okay, I want to buy an Atom when it breaks out, but I want to buy right now. So I'm going to buy the price, 773. And then I'd like to take profits at 1090, right? So where do I want to take my profit? At 1090. 1090. You can even do it by this. I want 40% profit. I want 60% profit. I want 80% profit. How much profit do you want? I have to do by the chart. And since I have such a small amount, I'm going to go for the whole shebang. 1090. You can even split targets, which meaning you can sell 50%. So here you hit split targets, and then you would do another one here. Boom, boom, and you hit add target. You know, I don't have enough money to even split targets really, but you see what I'm saying? And then you could sell 30%, 79% here, and then boom. And so you can split your targets. I love this. You can split it 3 ways, 4 ways, and then it shows you on a graph. I've only done it a few times because I usually just hit it, but the other day I did it on ARPA. I took 50% at 2 different occasions. And you can split, I'm pretty sure you can do up to like 3 or 4 splits, maybe even more. So we'd want to sell at 1380. Oh yeah, so we'd want to sell how much? We'd want to sell 50%, right? At so we'd want to, you get it. I don't have enough. You see what I'm saying? So it's not working, but you get it. Like I'd want to sell 50% of my bags. I don't want to take 50% profit. You get it? And then at 100%, and then the other 50% of my bags, I want to sell at 100% profit. And it'll split them really nice. Then you have a trailing take profit, okay? This is a deviation, meaning mooning Papa is the best if you want to go to trailing take profit. But what it means is it stays right behind the price, and it rides it. And if the price goes down 3%, it'll take you out. But if the price only goes down like 2.999, it'll keep you in, and then you'll keep riding the price up and down. I don't do it a lot, so I'm going to use my paper trading account to do some trailing take profits. An idea I just had recently, which I should have done a long time ago. But things happen, you learn, right? So anyway, let's get back to what I'm doing. I'm not going to do a split, so I'm turning this split off.
Daddy, I made a bagel for Mama.
Boom.
Daddy?
Really?
Yes, really.
Thank you.
And it was so easy.
All right, I really want to finish showing someone something right now. Okay. So here, we're going to get it 771, 100%. We have 838, so we can get 1.08 atom. And then I want to sell it. Hold on, one thing. When I hit that, it looks like the trailing take profit it wanted to do it, and then I didn't do it, so it was like stuck. Here we go. So look, we want to buy atom at 771. We want to buy 100% of my whatever I have. I want to take profits. And we said, where do we want to take profits? Remember at 1040, something like that. Go back to our chart. And 1090. 1090. 1090. And then we don't want to lose. So we want to set a stop loss, right? We only want to lose 10%, 8%, whatever. And we can set a stop loss before we get into the trade. So we can set our take profit. We can set our risk. And then we can go to work. Unreal. If you were trading on Binance before, they only let you do one of these. So you could only put a stop loss. Then you'd have to be up all night waiting for an alerts to take profit. Or you'd have to take profit, and if it went down, it keeps going. You're going to lose all your money. So most people would have put a stop loss, and most people would have missed a take profit on a wick, and then they would have only gotten like 50% or 60% when they should have gotten 70% of a move. I mean, this is $1. I'm really going to not put a stop loss on this. It's $1. Like, if I lose $1, I lose $1. Like, $8, right? It's $8. Like, seriously. But hey, I'll show you how it's done. We'll put a stop loss at 10%, so we can only lose a little bit. Amount is too small making a deal. Minimal value is 9. So, like, they won't even let me make this trade. What if I just turn the stop loss off altogether? Yeah, so they won't even let me make this trade because it's too small. $9 is the smallest trade that they'll let me make for whatever reason. Crap. But if you were to make it, I would set my stop loss 10%, and then you hit create trade. And then it will spin right here, and it'll pop out. Sometimes it's just like an order book. It won't fill your order. You'll have to wait. Sometimes it will. It all depends. 90% of the time, my order gets filled, and it looks just like this. It opens up right here. It shows you your buys. It shows you where the current price is, and it shows you where your take profit's going to be. And then usually when it hits your take profit, it hits you up. One thing it does as default is when you're doing a stop loss, it makes the stop loss market order. Now, you can get banged out in a market order. Like, if the price is 7, you might sell for 690, because it's a market order. It tries to find the best price for you just to get you out no matter what. And if people are holding back and bidding crazily, then you're going to get the person that wants to sell the best. But, so that's the idea. I missed ball, man. I shouldn't have sold it. I have great entries, though. I just got to work on holding them even longer. But, yeah, that's basically how I use it. Then there's smart sell. I don't really use the smart sell because I'm always smart trading. Like, I'm always setting up and then taking profit, and I'm out to the next thing. Smart sell does happen where sometimes things go in and out, and you're not sure what to do, and I end up canceling it, and then I just need to get out, and I just use the smart sell to sell, right? Smart cover. How does smart cover work? What is smart cover? See, I forget what it is. Oh, it like sells and it sells and puts you back into a coin again. Like, it's pretty interesting. It allows sells coins and then rebuy it. You set a sell condition and then a plan when you want to repurchase the coins. Then at least 2 possible uses for smart cover trade. Like a traditional short, when you have a negative trade or hold a dropping in value coin, sell coins then buy it lower, therefore making a profit in the difference. Repurchase coins. After a profitable sale, you have a long trade in positive, but think there will be a short price bounce and drop. Or want to sell your coins and then buy it lower. Set an order to sell the coins near the bounce point and then place a repurchase. There may be other great ways to use smart cover. It's all up to you. A smart cover trade is a sell condition and one or more multiple buy conditions. Sell condition is active for the creation of a trade, but conditions. So basically, a smart cover is a sell first and a buyback. You get it? A sell first with a buyback. So you want to sell it, but then you want to buy back, right? I've never really used it, and a smart buy is just to get in, really. It's just like a smart buy and smart sell are really included in the smart trade. And buy and sell is literally if you just want to do an average buy and sell, which I don't know you would want to do that when you have the smart trade for you that does everything. So it doesn't make any sense, right? So that's where I'm at with that. Okay. Ball 28.44. Yeah, about to hit my target. I told you I shouldn't have sold before I hit my targets. Like they're pretty spot on every time. Tends to hit my target and bounce away. Like the last 5 targets I've set. Dude, Bitcoin going above 11,500. That is really the psychological point. We really need to hold 11.5. Sunday night will be the 3rd week we close above 11,500. And if we do that, it'll be very, very bullish. But yeah, look at USDT. I had my target here. Look, it came up a little bit, bounced down. Word. Gun in at 25.7. Let's go. Yes, baby. Ball. I'm in ball. It's Balancer. That's the name. BAL. BAL. Should call it BAL. Balancer. I got it at the low trend line here. Aggressive buy. Let's see. See, like I already sailed this trade away. It's kind of in the distance now. I'll show you the trade though. I think I showed it before, but I like going over my trades. All right. Don't get pissed off. But yeah, we got it at 27.72. In my opinion. And how long were you waiting just to get up, 80 cents more? No, I'm not saying it's I think I should have held. I'm just trying to make myself feel better, obviously, right? But that is basically the tutorial for 3 commas. How I use 3 commas as a trader every day on a daily basis. Then there's grid bots. They'll basically buy and sell on a grid. You can sell, make 10 buys, like make a buy here, a buy here, a buy here, a buy there, and then sell here, sell there, and you'll see it's like, see, buy, sell, 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 sell. So the price will go down. You'll keep getting it. It's like automatic accumulation, and then as it comes up, it'll start selling it, and you can start one of these bots immediately. I haven't ran a bot yet. I'm probably going, once the bull market starts, there's no reason not to put 5 to 600 and run a bot, because they'll show you the bots too. They even have options bots. I don't know what this option bot. This is in beta test. This is a demo. Wow. So you can like bet on the price going up or down, right? Expected trend, expected volatility, long strangle. Interesting. Need to learn more about options here, but yeah, connect account. So this is interesting. This is in beta, so this is new. What is subscription percentage? Oh, they're just showing you like $21 a month. Extend. Current plan. Advanced. So simple trading bots, only spot, strong and long-term algorithms. So I can't trade bots. I don't pay enough to use the bots. So there you go. And there's the Academy. 3 commas Academy.
And trusted individual in the 3 commas community, and it just means that I'm a boss. The course I want to talk to you about today is called 15 Minutes to Financial Freedom. The whole purpose of 15 Minutes to Financial Freedom is to provide you with 3 proven strategies that are manageable. How manageable? That you'll only spend 15 minutes a day managing your trades.
I love that, man. They make it sound so easy, right? Yeah. If you don't want to learn that much, you can spend 15 minutes a day. It's like anything in life, right? You want to be a chef? Spend 15 minutes a day doing it. How good are you going to be against a chef who's doing it 10 hours a day? I'm just saying, right? But I get it. Some people just want to make extra money, right? So that's cool. I just want to see how much they're trying to. I would buy this for no more than $100. It's got to be like 197 they're charging you. You know what? If I just began and I didn't know a lot, probably a great thing. And I bet if I went to this course, I'd probably learn something. So learn the essentials, trading breakout indicator, and the relative strength index, right? Keep your funds safe and secure using hardware wallets. Learn about crypto tax tips. It's recommended tools to help you file your taxes. Work with one of my handpicked coaches who will go through the course content. Learn how to keep your emotions in check while trading using Better Trader's Journal, and so much more. You're smart, man. Mooning Papa. I think he's the guy who created 3 commas, honestly. He's the owner of this thing. He's on all the videos. He pushes himself out there. So, all right, guys. I think any last questions about 3 commas? There's so many other tutorials out there online better than the way I did it. I'm sure, but I showed you how I use it for a living every day, and it helps my life immensely. Like without it, I don't know how I would survive. I'm being honest. With my ADHD and like all my crazy thoughts and all the ins and outs, like I do not know how I would survive. I probably wouldn't survive, honestly. I would lose money. So thank you, 3 commas, for changing my life and my subscribers' lives and everybody out here. Oh, paper trading. Let's get into paper trading. Did I just close my window too? It's like, what? Here it is. So paper trading. You hit the paper trading. It's right up here. It's your real account, paper trading, and boom. And then once you hit this and the white outline is here, everything in here is now in the paper trading account. Smart trade, like the dashboard. And the paper trading account has it's got IOST and it's got Bitcoin. That's it. See, I put 27 or 18,000 into IOST, right? And then you can see what would happen, right? And here's the bots too. I don't know if you can use the bots though in the paper trading. That's an interesting thing. There's a dollar cost average bot as well. And wait for the most opportune time to start a new deal. And it'll basically look for low RSI and get you in when you need. You know, open deals at a faster rate for quick scalps and smaller profits. See that? Start new deals at normal, fairly aggressive pace. And then this is like for the average person. See? The Gordon bot, they called it. So yeah, bot analytics, discover a bot. You can see all the bots. Are they worth it? What are they doing? Here's discover a bot. And it shows you the percentage a day that the bot's running. Like this one's making 2.8% a day. This one's running 2.6% a day. This one's running, you know, they're all running between 1 and 2% a day. I mean, that's times 30, that's 60% a month. In a year, that's 720%. So, pretty sweet, right? So that's paper trading right here. And then you want to go back to your regular account, you just click here, this box. And when the box is a white outline, you're back in your regular account. 19,736. I want to get all the way to the top, man. All right. But that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. And remember, crypto is life.